Hi everyone, I'm Marta Vasquez. I'm the founder of Lulo Organic Skincare, and I wanted to shoot a video to share with you this amazing place where I am today in Colombia, South America. This is my home country, and we get some of the fruits that we use for our products from here. We're visiting some of the farmers today, so I want to share with you some of this experience. A lot of people ask me why the name Lulo. So I thought the best way to explain is by showing you the actual fruit. Lulo is a citrus-like fruit that is original from South America, more specifically from Ecuador, Colombia, Panama. But the reason why I chose the name, I guess, is a twofold reason. The first one is we have a saying in Colombia. When someone looks amazing, we say you look like a lulo, and it's estás como un lulo, te ves como un lulo. It's a way to say that someone looks amazing, beautiful, well put. And the second reason, most importantly, is because lulo is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, is antioxidant because of the vitamin C. So is one of the key components, one of the key ingredients of our products. So on top of that is beautiful. I caught one just a moment ago to be able to show you. So I have it here. Let me show you how it looks on the inside. As you can see, it has a beautiful pattern. But that's why you see me using the hashtag you look like a lulo or como un lulo, because it's a saying for us. That's what I'm hoping to have when you guys use our products. I'm hoping that you look like a lulo and that your skin starts to glow the way my skin is glowing. I've been using my own products, testing them for the last 3 months, a little bit more. And I'm amazed. I'm very happy with the results that I'm getting. It's amazing what you can achieve when you use natural ingredients, when you stay away of all the nasty ingredients that we see nowadays in many products. I think it's important to be here, visiting the farmers, making sure that everything they are saying on paper in terms of organic, in terms of sustainability, etc., is true. I'm a firm believer that you have to be there in person to make sure that what you are saying, what you are selling is real. And I'll bring you on this journey with me through my videos. So bear with me, and I'll keep you posted.